Costs a little bit more. It takes longer. It's more expensive, obviously. You're sending out 10 million emails every month. You're probably not going to want to do this, but this is for very targeted recipients. So the automation process um, is absolutely phenomenal. Once this gets refined and load tested, obviously, and then we look at what the costs are going to be based on the model that we use. That's all configurable. Which model we're going to use to generate the content, what instructions we give it. Then we can put a price tag on these dynamically AI generated campaigns. So it's a mixture. It's not just totally AI Wild West, and it's not just your regular templated emails that get blocked by spam filters. Nobody opens them because you can tell it's a sales pitch, and it has nothing to do with you. It's just brute forcing it. We get the best of both worlds. We get customized, individualized information in the email, and then we get the power of a beautiful template and scale. You may have noticed memories. This AI agent, every time it does something bad or it does something good, it saves that as a memory of what it did. When I go to ask it again in the future, make an email template that connects to Office 365 integration, it will look back at its previous memories of how it successfully did that before, and it will then be able to write that script with an exponentially greater chance of success on the first shot. Most of the time, it's happening now without having to tweak anything. Once in a while, there's an issue. You got to go back and say, hey, redo this. It usually figures it out in a matter of seconds, fixes it, automatically tests it, automatically sends the test email when it needs to, is able to run these scripts in a sandbox. The credentials are secure. The AI never even sees any of the credentials. It just puts placeholders in. It's absolutely the best we can do. I can't say it's foolproof, but it's the best we can do in an AI-powered environment. Um, and of course, we're going to keep logs when we execute things. Okay, cool. So those are the new features that are added to the CRM. We have integrations. I can have AI write an integration to an email provider. I can have it write an integration to Zapier, any API, anything, and within a few minutes, it will have that completed and tested. You don't have to go and pay for your integrations anymore. You don't have to, um, you know, pay go high level $50 a month, and it's such a great deal. And then you want to integrate with something or send some data or get your data even out of the system, and they charge you an arm and a leg and nickel and dime you with all these integrations that take now the AI 5 minutes to make. So we're not going to charge you for integrations. You're going to make your own integrations, and you're going to be much happier knowing exactly what your monthly cost is going to be, being able to scale without having to incur extra bills, except for maybe tokens for the AI. And you're not going to get ripped off anymore. There's no reason. Instead of them paying developers to write this, you can do it yourself. You can do it yourself, and you can customize it to your business needs. And hopefully these software as a service businesses go out of business, because that's the goal here. Technology is going to move so fast, we're just going to run everybody over, and we're going to put a lot of companies out of business that have been nickel and diming everybody for a long time. The next thing, we have the automations. Automations are brilliant because it's an abstraction for anything you want, any business process, um, any pipeline, any workflow. You can, because these scripts are written so easily, and we can control what in the application they can get access to. We can write triggers to calculate things. We can have, every Thursday, select the information from this business object, do this evaluation. If it doesn't meet this criteria, insert this status or update the status to this. We can build that as an automation, schedule on the job, and have it run every day. I didn't talk about the last thing, dashboards. Dashboards is really cool. We're going to see it in the next video. um, with the uh, uh, with the local browser client that I'm working on, which is absolutely ridiculous. But dashboards are awesome because when you go to make a new dashboard, you get the same AI chat. It's going to produce code. Show me a dashboard for my recent lead volume. Go. It's going to produce the HTML for that dashboard. Here are some standard elements that you could drag in there if you want to do it yourself. I suggest you don't do it yourself. You don't need to. Look what it did. Searching memories. How did we do this before? Loading objects. It was looking at the leads object. Loading fields. What fields are? Is it previewing data? Selecting some data out of there so that it knows what it's working with. Setting a title. Saving section. It's already producing code for your dashboard. Let's see what we do. Oh, here's your total leads. It's still going. Ta-da! Here's your dashboard. You can give instructions to customize any of this information. Anything you want to see. Oh, look. Here's those fake leads that we put in. You can give instructions to make this filterable, change the width of the columns if you want, different kinds of charts, different calculations, anything you want. It already saved it itself. I don't need to hit save, but we're going to go back. And now that we've made, which one's going to be this one? That is not the one. It's going to be this one, the leads dashboard. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Here it is. We just made that. And now it's on your list of dashboards the way you want to see it as an individual. And it just took me like 2 minutes to do. Do you need to call a reporting guy? No. Do you need to submit a ticket to your IT department? No. Do you need to hire a programmer? No. Do you need to pay for some like business intelligence suite just to get some basic information anymore? No, you do not. All you need to do is learn how to use the real tools that we're building for you. So I will talk to you again here in a minute. We're going to make another thing, another video showing off the browser that I built in the last 2 days, which is absolutely ridiculous. So I'll upload that one shortly.